everyone, so for today's video, I will be presenting the Six Sigma method which is based on DMAIC approach. So what is DMAIC? DMAIC stands for Define, Measure, Analyze, Improve, and Control. It is a way of solving problems and continually improving operations based on a scientific method. The Define phase answers the question, what is the scope? The Measure phase answers the question, how it performs today. The Analyze phase answers the question, what's going wrong. The Improve phase answers the question, how to fix what's wrong. And lastly, the Control phase answers the question, how to ensure success. But for today's video, we will only be focusing on the third stage, which is the Analyze phase. The Analyze phase is where both qualitative tools and quantitative techniques, for example, statistics, are used to identify the root cause of the problem using the data collected during the Measure phase. The purpose of Analyze is to connect the relationships between the effects that we can see which are measurable. These are connected with actual causes, specifically the root causes. We should go beyond the questions of who is at fault, and we should focus on the question why. Why are we having the problems that we are having? So here is the Analyze tools and techniques. So fishbone diagram. Fishbone diagram is a graphical tool which links the effects of the problem to the possible root causes according to a predetermined set of categories. It is also known as the Ishikawa diagram or the cause and effect diagram. The fishbone diagram opens up our minds to consider all the various factors that may be part of what we see, and what those effects really do. It allows us to question different aspects of a system of production such as materials, information, equipment, and the procedures, how we measure things, and what type of environment we have created in the place of work. All of those that will have an impact on the end result. So here is an example of fishbone diagram about factors reducing competitiveness. So the effect on this diagram is reduce competitiveness, and the causes are external environment, management project approach, management, corporate structure, staff, and process approach to management. In the system of production, we have the so-called two causes, which are the common cause and the special cause. Common causes account for about 94% or a high percentage of the reasons and opportunities for problems. On the other hand, special cause account for only 6%, which could only be a particular worker or a particular situation. Hence, it covers much smaller portion of causes. So as a conclusion, Analyze phase is the third stage in Lean Six Sigma DMAIC methodology. It finds the critical factors of good processes and the root causes of defects. It conducts qualitative and numerical analysis of process performance. It focuses all future design work on the factors with most impact on performance. It also understands the most important factors influencing process performance, and it validates root causes.